Alright, I got a couple of nice little Zippos in today. Let's take a quick look at them. And both of them arrived in the standard Zippo black cardboard box. Now this one is a little bit special because it's the Mazzi. You can see the label there. Mazzi tall ship. Any pirate would like to have this ship to sail in. So there is the Mazzi logo on that one. And the box is semi-collectible with the Mazzi signature on it. And it's on the street chrome. Got a real good sound, lights up nice. And this one was produced in E of 13 in Bradford, PA, made in the USA. Great little Zippo by Mazzi. And the other one I'm going to show just really quickly, this is the second one of these that I have. It's the Celtic Cross. This is a really nice Irish type Zippo. It's on the same kind of street chrome body. This is still sealed. I like that green cross. And it was made, let's see, sometime in 13. Looks like a K of 13. Genuine Zippo. Pretty cool Celtic cross. And yes, they both deserve a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.